बिल्कुल शॉर्टकट वाले इंग्लिश बोलेंगे. डू यू लिव इन खंडवा? यस आई डू. यस आई डू. डू यू लिव इन इंदौर? डिड यू कम हियर yesterday? Yes I did. Yes I did. Yes I did. Did you come here yesterday? Yes I did. Okay, अगर आप कल नहीं आए तो? No I didn't. No I didn't. No I didn't. No I didn't. So everyone, today we have extraordinary students sitting over here and I'm going to ask them yes no questions and we'll see how they are going to answer my questions that I'm going to ask them. And this is I can see that some small children are sitting over here. So we'll start this session from you. Yes bache, what's your name?
My name is Priyangi Rathore.
Priyangi, you are looking very excited to speak today. You
Yes.
think you can answer my questions that I'm going to ask you?
Yes, I do.
So, wow, that's great. Now, the first sentence is, do you know me?
Yes, I do.
Do you know her?
Yes, I do.
Do you know her father?
No, I don't.
Okay. Do you live in Khandwa, Madhya Pradesh?
Yes, I do.
Do you live in Indore, Madhya Pradesh?
No, I don't.
Do you know about me?
Yes, I do.
Can you fly like birds?
No, I don't.
No, I don't, or no, I can't.
No, I can't.
Okay. Can you speak French?
No, I can't.
Can you talk with anyone in English?
Yes, I can.
Are you a confident girl?
Yes, I am.
Are you a girl? Are you a student of Persona Institute?
Yes, I am.
Do you know that girl?
Yes, I do.
What's her name?
Her name is Grisha Mulchandani.
Grisha. So everyone, here these students are answering the questions that starts from helping you up, and they are answering in yes and no. Can I ask you the WH questions? Yes, sir. And you feel that you can answer? Yes, sir. Can you answer anything if I ask you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Do you speak English?
Yes, I do.
Do you talk to your teacher in English?
Yes, I do.
Do you talk to your teacher in French?
No, I don't.
Do you talk with your parents in English?
Yes. No, I don't.
Okay. Do your parents know English?
Yes. Yes, they don't know.
Yes, they don't know.
Yes, they know.
Yes, they know. Okay, fine. Do you talk with your friends in English?
Yes, I do.
Can you speak on any topic?
Yes, I can.
Wow. Can you teach English?
No, I don't.
No, I can't.
No, I can't.
Do you know that girl?
Yes, I know. Yes, I know.
Yes, I do.
Yes,
Who
I
is she?
She is Divya.
She's Divya. Is Divya your friend?
Yes.
Yes, she is. Yes, she is. And that girl who is sitting over there.
I don't know.
You don't know her. Okay. Now, is this a pen?
Yes. Yes, it is.
Okay. Are you in class?
Yes, I am.
Okay.
Yes, I am.
Are you listening to me?
Yes, I do.
Okay. Are you paying attention on what I'm saying?
Yes, I do.
Wow, that's great. Now I'm asking some random sentences. मैं वहाँ नहीं जाऊँगा क्योंकि मेरे पास टाइम नहीं है.
I will not go there because I don't have time.
Okay. मैं इंग्लिश सीखूंगा क्योंकि मुझे इंग्लिश सीखना पसंद है.
I will learn English because I like to learn English.
सर क्या आप मेरा टॉपिक चेंज कर देंगे क्योंकि मुझे इस टॉपिक के बारे में कुछ नहीं पता.
Sir, can you change this topic because I don't know about this topic?
क्या आप चेंज कर देंगे सर? विल यू प्लीज चेंज दिस टॉपिक बिकॉज आई डोंट नो एनीथिंग अबाउट दिस टॉपिक. देखिए आपको कुछ लाइन तो इस टॉपिक पर बोलनी पड़ेगी. मैं चेंज नहीं करूंगा.
You have to say some lines on it. I will not change it.
See, you will have to speak on this topic few lines. I will not change it. ठीक है सर, मैं कोशिश करूंगी.
Okay, sir. I will try.
ठीक है सर, all right. All right, sir. I will try to speak. आपको बोलना पड़ेगा.
You will have to speak.
मैं जानता हूँ बोल सकते हैं.
I know you can speak.
आपको कोशिश करनी चाहिए.
You should try.
That's good. That's good. Ria, where are you from?
I'm from Indore.
You're from Indore.
Yes.
So in Khandwa, what you're doing?
My father's job.
Okay, your father has transferred in Khandwa.
Yes.
In which department he's working?
He is teacher.
He's a teacher. Wow. In which school does he teach?
Poda International School.
Wow, that's great. And in which school do you study?
Poda International School.
Oh, because your father is teaching there. That's why. Okay. मैं आपसे सेंटेंस पूछूंगा बेसिक के और आपको आंसर करना है.
Yes.
ठीक है. मैं बिजी हूँ.
I'm busy.
मैं क्लास में हूँ.
I'm in class.
मैं पढ़ाई करता हूँ.
I do study.
I study. मैं पढ़ाई करूँगा.
I will study.
मैं पढ़ाई कर सकता हूँ.
I can study.
मुस्कुराओ यार, तुम परसोना में हो यार. ओके. टेंशन नहीं लेना. तुम्हारा नंबर बिल्कुल आएगा. ओके मेरे पास बैग है,
I have bag.
मेरे पास बैग था,
I had bag.
मेरे पास बैग नहीं है,
I am not bag.
आई हैव नॉट बैग क्या सही है? Yes.
I do not have bag.
यस आई डू नॉट हैव बैग। मुझे पता है आपके पास बैग नहीं है।
I know that you have not bag.
आई नो यू डोंट हैव बैग। मुझे पता है आपके पास टाइम नहीं है।
I know that you have not time.
आई नो यू डोंट हैव टाइम। बोलो,
Speak.
बोलना शुरू करो,
Start speaking.
लिखना शुरू करो।
Start writing.
हमें लिखना चाहिए,
We should writing.
वी शुड राइट। हमें बोलना चाहिए,
We should speak.
हमें बोलने की जरूरत है,
We need to speak.
हमें पढ़ाने की जरूरत है,
We need to study.
वी नीड टू टीच।
We need to.
हम पढ़ा सकते हैं,
I can.
वी कैन टीच।
We can teach.
हम जा सकते हैं।
We can go.
व्हाट्स योर नेम?
Sir, my name is Purvansh Rathod.
पूर्वांश। ओके मैं तैयार हूँ,
I am ready.
मैं बोलने के लिए तैयार हूँ।
I am ready to speak.
मुझे पता है आप 8th में हो।
I know you are in 8th.
आई नो यू आर इन 8th क्लास। ओके मुझे पता है आप इंग्लिश सीख रहे हो।
I know you are learning English.
आपको इंग्लिश सीखनी चाहिए,
You should learn
आपको यहाँ
English.
आना चाहिए,
You should come
आप
here.
यहाँ आ सकते हो।
You can come here.
यू कैन कम हियर। आप बोल सकते हो।
You can speak.
मैं बोल रहा हूँ,
I am speaking.
मैं बोलने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ।
I am trying to speak.
मुझे बोलना पड़ता है।
I used to speak.
आई हैव टू स्पीक।
I have to speak.
ये देखो आराध्य बोल रहा है आपके साथ में। ओके मैं पढ़ाई कर रहा हूँ,
I am studying.
मैं पढ़ाई कर सकता हूँ।
I can study.
मुझे जाने दो,
Let me go.
मुझे आने दो।
Let me come.
यस व्हाट्स योर नेम?
Sir, my name is Aksh Bagel.
अक्ष, अक्ष बघेल। अक्ष इन विच क्लास डू यू स्टडी?
Sir, I studied in 6th class.
6th standard you study. So Aksh, you are looking very excited to speak. You think you can speak well?
Yes, sir.
Oh, let's get it started. So everyone, we have Aksh. Aksh, what is the meaning of Aksh?
Distance.
Distance. Distance, duri. Wow, that's great. And who has given you such a unique name?
My father.
Your father has given you. Are you happy with this name?
Yes, sir.
And I think you are the only one. You must be only one in your class or in your school who has got this name, right?
Yes, sir.
Because it looks such a unique name, Aksh. You know, if your name would be Akshay, then it would be the common name, right? Okay. So Aksh, I'm asking you some sentences, and you just have to reply me. Okay? We are just walking on translation round. Okay? कुछ भी असंभव नहीं है।
Nothing is impossible.
ओके कभी कभी लगता है कि इम्पॉसिबल पॉसिबल और पॉसिबल इम्पॉसिबल है।
Sir, can you repeat?
कभी कभी लगता है इम्पॉसिबल पॉसिबल है, पॉसिबल इम्पॉसिबल है।
Sometimes feels impossible is possible and possible is impossible.
वाह, ही इज ट्रांसलेटिंग वेल। ओके मुझे पता है आप कहाँ हो।
I know where are you.
आई नो वेयर यू आर। आप परसोना में हो,
You are in persona.
आप इंग्लिश सीख रहे हो,
You are learning.
आपको इंग्लिश आती है,
You know English.
मुझे इंग्लिश आती है,
I know
मुझे इंग्लिश नहीं आती,
I don't
मुझे
know.
जाने दो।
I
लेट मी गो।
Let me go.
मैं जा रहा हूँ,
am going.
आई एम गोइंग। मैं पढ़ा रहा हूँ,
I am teaching.
मैं पढ़ाता हूँ।
I teach.
आई टीच, मैं बोलता हूँ।
I speak.
आई स्पीक, मैं समझता हूँ।
I
अंडरस्टैंड, मैं समझ सकता हूँ।
I can understand.
मैं आपकी प्रॉब्लम समझ सकता
I
हूँ।
can understand your problem.
आप कहाँ थे,
Where were you?
आप कहाँ हो?
Where are you?
Be quiet, everyone. Everyone is translating well. मैं लेट हो रहा हूँ। I'm getting late. I'm getting late. Okay, now I'm going to ask you questions that I asked to them like, do you study in persona?
Yes, I do.
Can you speak Marathi?
No. Sir.
No, I can't.
No, I can't.
Is this your mic?
No.
No, it's not. Okay, is this your pen?
Yes, I.
Yeah, it's mine. It's mine, you can say.